Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Now students, let's discuss the exercise of verb, right? Before start our exercise, let's recall verb and its kinds. What are verbs? Verbs denote actions performed in a sentence. सेंटेंस के अंदर सब्जेक्ट क्या एक्शन कर रहा है वो वर्ब से हमें पता चलता है, राइट? There are two types of verbs. It means two kinds of verbs, right? Transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verbs are verbs which require an object to complete their meaning. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब को ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत होती है अपनी मीनिंग को पूरा करने के लिए. नाउ intransitive verbs are verbs which do not require an object to complete their meaning. Intransitive verbs को ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है अपनी मीनिंग को पूरा करने के लिए, right? If your sentence is transitive, it means a require object. So what is object? The object of a verb is the person or thing to or for whom something is done. सेंटेंस में जो ऑब्जेक्ट दिया जाता है वो पर्सन या फिर कोई चीज़ होती है और वो किसके लिए की जा रही है वो हमें उस ऑब्जेक्ट से पता चलता है, राइट? नाउ देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट? डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आंसर द क्वेश्चन व्हाट इन रिलेशन टू द वर्ब. सेंटेंस के अंदर वर्ब से हमें व्हाट शब्द का इस्तेमाल करके क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है, राइट? एंड व्हाट इज एन इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट? एन इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आंसर द क्वेश्चन टू whom और फॉर whom इन द रिलेशन टू द वर्ब. सेंटेंस के अंदर वर्ब से हमें टू whom या फिर फॉर whom शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करके क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राथिन गेव पुलक अ पेन, राइट? वॉट डिड राथिन गिव टू पुलक? उसने क्या दी? यस, अ पेन. सो अ पेन इज अवर डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट? फॉर whom डिड राथिन गिव अ पेन? किसके लिए उसने पेन दी थी? यस, पुलक. सो पुलक इज अवर indirect object, right? Now let's start our exercise. Okay, underline the verbs and identify whether they are transitive or intransitive, right? Identify the object of the transitive verbs and write if they are direct or indirect object. सेंटेंस के अंदर आपको वर्ब पर अंडरलाइन करनी है और साथ ही पहचानना है कि वो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है कि इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है. अगर वो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है तो आपको ऑब्जेक्ट भी बताना है और साथ ही साथ आपको ये भी बताना है कि ऑब्जेक्ट डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है कि इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. नंबर 1, द हंग्री बेबी हैज़ बीन क्राइंग सिंस मॉर्निंग, राइट? हियर our verb is has been crying. In this sentence there is a no object, so this is a intransitive. Number 2, the tailor embroidered the dress with ornamental designs. Here our verb is embroidered, right? Okay, what did the tailor embroidery, right? The dress. So the dress is our object and this is a transitive sentence and dress is our direct object. Number 3, the puppies slept in the cot next to their mother. Here, slept is a verb. In this sentence, there is a no object. So, this is an intransitive sentence. Number 4. My mother proudly displayed my sister's trophy in the living room. Here, our verb is displayed. Right? What did my mother proudly display? Yes, my sister's trophy. So this is a transitive sentence, and my sister's trophy is our object, and this is an indirect object, right? Now students, number 5, we offered fruits to the ailing woman. Here our verb is offered. What did we offer to ailing woman? Yes, fruits. So fruit is our direct object. For whom did we offer fruits? So our answer is ailing woman. So ailing woman is our indirect object, and this sentence is transitive sentence. Okay. Number 6. The carpenter built a study table for me. What did the carpenter build for me? Yes, a study table, right? So study table is our direct object. For whom did carpenter build a study table? Yes, for me. So me is our indirect object. In this sentence, build is our verb, and this sentence is transitive sentence. Okay. Now number 7. Jeba bought clothes for the whole family at the store. Now our verb is bought. What did Jeba buy for the whole family at the store? Yes, clothes. So clothes is our direct object, and this sentence is transitive. Now, number 8. We could not understand the lesson properly. Here our verb is could not understand. Okay. What could not we understand properly? Yes, the lesson. So the lesson is our direct object, and this is the transitive sentence. Number 9. Anita won the inter-school quiz contest. Our verb is won, right? What did Anita win? Yes, the inter-school quiz contest. So that is our direct object, and this is a transitive sentence. Okay. Number 10. The din of the traffic hurts my ear. Our verb is hurts, right? What does the din of traffic hurt? Yes, my ears, right? So my ears is our direct object, and this is a transitive sentence, right? Okay. Okay students, I hope you have understood this exercise. So do practice at home.